The tools you will need are a 17mm ring spanner and a 2mm hex key. Isolate both hot and cold water supplies. Turn the taps on to check that the isolation has been successful. And put the plug in to ensure that nothing gets lost. Remove the lever handle using the hex key. You will need to remove either the handle prong or the red-blue insert to access the grub screw, dependent on the model variant you're using. Pull the handle to remove it, and then use the 17mm spanner to undo the ceramic disc valve. Rinse or soak in descaler as necessary. To replace, check the body housing to ensure that no debris is present. Flush if necessary. Grease the O-ring and the working parts on the valve using a suitable silicone lubricant. Insert the valve into the body. Tighten using the 17mm spanner. Replace the handle, pushing firmly down on the handle to locate it fully home. And then tighten the grub screw and replace either the prong or the cap. Unisolate both hot and cold water supplies and check for leaks.